Let's give them something to smile about. Dr. Andrea Joy Smith is helping her patients feel confident with her dental treatment services, and she joins us to talk about it. Welcome, Dr. Andrea Joy Smith.
Thank you, Desiree. Thanks for having me
Yeah,
today.
we're excited to have you on. And Dr. Smith, how long have dental implants been in widespread use?
Well, dental implants themselves have been in widespread use probably since the 1970s, early 80s. But in the last 15 to 20 years, the small diameter implant has come around, and it has given patients who have not had access to conventional implantology a choice.
Oh, well, it's good to have a choice. So what makes you so passionate about mini dental implants?
I'm passionate because for a lot of those years when dental implants were in widespread use, there's so many patients that were told that they cannot receive a dental implant, either because they don't have enough bone, or maybe the finances were a bit of a challenge, or simply that they just weren't candidates for the medical reasons. And mini dental implants, or small diameter one-piece implants, can actually be used on patients with a lot of different issues because it is a minimally invasive procedure.
Oh, that's a key word, minimally invasive. And
Yes.
can you describe for our viewers what mini dental implants are and the benefits of mini dental implant treatment?
Right. Well, mini dental implants are actually a small titanium implant or screw, and it is made to go into the jawbone. And the good thing about it is that it's just one piece.
Yeah.
A lot of implant surgeries require the placement of a second part of the implant under a second surgery. But when we do the one-piece implant, we leave the abutment, or the part of it that holds on to the restoration, we leave that above the tissue, and we're able to put the denture or the tooth on it immediately.
Oh, wow. And how long have you offered mini dental implants to your patients?
I've offered it here in Sacramento for about 15 years,
Wow.
and I've probably completed well over 7,000 implant placements, and so I do have a lot of experience.
So what would you say sets your office apart for dental implant treatment?
I tell patients a lot of times they can go almost anywhere in Sacramento or elsewhere to have a conventional implant placed. But if they're not able to receive it because of not having enough bone, or if the finances of that procedure are challenging, my office can actually accommodate both types of patients.
Wow. So what makes mini dental implant treatment a good option for patients?
It's a good option because for years, a lot of patients suffer from loose dentures or missing teeth. And to have a procedure that can be done relatively easy, it's something that just opens up the doors for patients to have this access to care.
Yeah, I was going to say, and after getting that, I can only imagine that boost of confidence. And you have a video of a very happy patient after receiving dental implant treatments. So let's take a listen.
Okay.
Just want to thank Dr. Andrea Joy Smith for giving me my smile. I have not had nice teeth or a straight smile since I probably was in 3rd, 4th, 5th grade. I was so self-conscious about my teeth. But because of her treatment and her procedures, I now can smile. I'm proud of myself, and I encourage anybody to overcome your fears and come and see her and put your life back on track as it pertains to your dentistry.
I mean, you can just hear how ecstatic she is. How does that feel to hear that from your patient?
It actually feels great. She's over the moon about the treatment. She used to live in Sacramento, and before I actually did her treatment, she moved to Chicago. And she actually traveled back from Chicago after about 2 years to have that procedure done.
Wow.
And she couldn't be happier. It's been a great change in her life.
Yeah, we have a few before and after images as well. But I mean, we constantly are seeing just how phenomenal their teeth look after getting their procedures done by you, Dr. Smith.
Yes, and they see it too, and they really love it. And it really, my entire staff, we're all just excited every time a patient comes in and receives this great transformation.
All righty. Well, I'm going to let our viewers know where they can go for more info. Thank you for joining us this morning, Dr. Andrea Joy Smith.
Well, thank you for having me.
And to connect with Dr. Andrea Joy Smith about your dental needs, visit smileagainnow.com.